Questions related to human body is a very important topic. Friends, questions from this topic are asked in every exam. So friends, today I have brought a complete videos of this topic for you. All the questions asked in the exam. Today I am going to make you do all those questions in this video for those who have chances of appearing till now. Friends, believe me, this video is going to be very useful for every exam. So let's start with the first question. Which is the smallest bone in the human body? Answer is option D, stapes. The pH of human urine is approximately. Answer is option A, 6. The lifespan of human WBC is approximately. Answer is option C, between 13 to 20 days. Which is the strongest bone in the human body? Answer is option B, thigh bone. The joints between the skull bones are. Answer is option B, fixed joints. What type of tissue is blood? Answer is option D, connective tissue. Which of the following protects the human body from infection? Answer is option B, white blood cells. Which of the following is a type of enzyme? Answer is option B, trypsin. When the kidneys do not work, the amount of urea in the blood increases. This is called. Answer is option A, uremia. Who discovered the hormone insulin used to treat diabetes? Answer is option D, Frederick Banting. Hinge joint is found between which of the following? Answer is option C, between the humerus and the ulna. In human digestive system, bile juice is stored in blank. Answer is option C, gallbladder. Proboscis gland for excretion is present in the phylum. Answer is option A, hemichordata. Glycolysis occurs in which part of the cell? Answer is option B, cytoplasm. Which part of the brain maintains posture and equilibrium of the body? Answer is option D, hindbrain. Which one is a sex-linked disease? Answer is option B, color blindness. Which is the largest artery in the body? Answer is option A, aorta. Nervous tissue is made of blank that receive and conduct impulses. Answer is option C, neurons. The yellow color of urine is due to the presence of. Answer is option C, urochrome. Antibodies are. Answer is option B, glycoprotein. Which part of the body is most affected by fasting for a longer duration? Answer is option A, kidneys. Friends, if you like the video, then do not forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. How many molecules of ATP are obtained by the anaerobic respiration of one molecule of glucose? Answer is option B, 2. In how many parts is the human brain divided? Answer is option D 3. Why is it important to have iodized salt in our diet? Answer is option B controls the thyroid gland. Which part of the human brain is the center for intelligence, memory, and emotions? Answer is option C cerebrum. Jaundice affects which part of the body? Answer is option A liver. Which is the hardest substance in the human body? Answer is option A tooth enamel. Bone cells are embedded in a hard matrix that is composed of blank. Answer is option D calcium and phosphorus. How many pairs of autosomes does a normal human have? Answer is option B 22. The function of a pacemaker is? Answer is option C starting a heartbeat. In which part of the human body is the blood purified? Answer is option A kidney. The strongest muscle of the body is the masseter muscle and is located in the? Answer is option D jaw. How many amino acids are found in human body? Answer is option C 20. What is the study of human beauty called? Answer is option A chirology. Which structure of the eye is the most sensitive but contains no blood vessels? Answer is option C cornea. Exchange of gases in lungs takes place in? Answer is option B alveoli. How many teeth of the human beings fall and then again new teeth are acquired? Answer is option B 20. Rh factor is named after a species of blank. Answer is option C monkey. At what place in the human eye are light waves converted into nerve impulses? Answer is option A from retina. ELISA test is prescribed for? Answer is option D AIDS. Friends, if you like the video, then do not forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. What causes cold? Answer is option B rhinovirus. Which disease is caused by a rat bite? Answer is option D plague. Mediastinum is found in which body cavity? Answer is option B thoracic. The regulator of urine volume is? Answer is option A ADH and aldosterone. During cellular respiration, the energy is produced in form of? Answer is option C ATP. Who discovered malaria parasite? Answer is option C Charles Leveran. Which of the following radio elements is used to measure the speed of blood flow in the human body? Answer is option B radiosodium. Athlete's foot is a disease caused by. Answer is option D, fungi. What is silicosis? Answer is option A, lung-related diseases. Which organ is known as the blood bank of the human body? Answer is option B, spleen. Which of the following is the largest exocrine gland in human body? Answer is option D, liver. Pituitary gland is located in. Answer is option C, brain. The color of human skin is produced by blank. Answer is option A, melanin. Isolates of Langerhans are present in. Answer is option D, pancreas. What is the long protruding part of the neuron called? Answer is option B, axon. Insects responsible for transmitting diseases are called. Answer is option A, vector. A metal present in insulin is blank. Answer is option C, zinc. How is brain disease recognized? Answer is option C, by EEG. What is arthroplasty in surgery? Answer is option B, joint replacement. What prevents the entry of food into the windpipe? Answer is option D, epiglottis. Which of the following is absent in lymph? Answer is option B, RBC. How many sex chromosomes are there in a normal human being? Answer is option A, 2. Rh factor is an antigen situated on the surface of blank. Answer is option A, red blood cells. What is the largest internal organ in human body? Answer is option B, liver. What connects muscle to bone? Answer is option C, tendon. Which of the following enzymes are found in saliva? Answer is option A, ptyalin. How many times an adult breathes approximately in 1 minute? Answer is option D, 16 to 18. The largest part of the human brain is. Answer is option B, cerebrum. In which cell organelle does the Krebs cycle take place? Answer is option D, mitochondria. Reflex action is controlled by. Answer is option C, spinal cord. Where is protein digestion completed? Answer is option A, small intestine. Which hormone is known as fight or flight? Answer is option B, adrenaline. Which of the following protein is found in nails? Answer is option A, keratin. Which hormone is produced by intestinal wall? Answer is option C, cholecystokinin. Sulfur drug is which of the following types of drug? Answer is option D, antibacterial. How do most insects respire? Answer is option C, by tracheal system. Uveitis disease is related to which part of the human body? Answer is option D, eyes. Which gland is responsible for the regulation of carbohydrates, protein and fat metabolism in human body? Answer is option B, thyroid. The radioactive isotope used for the detection of small tumors in our body is blank. Answer is option A, arsenic 74. Vasopressin is related with. Answer is option B, concentration of urine. Which drug is used to treat HIV/AIDS? Answer is option D, zidovudine. Which gland is called master gland? Answer is option C, pituitary. Friends, if you like the video, then do not forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. A colorblind person has difficulty in distinguishing which of the following colors? Answer is option B, green and red. Interferon is used to control what? Answer is option D, cancer. During the transport of carbon dioxide, the ionic balance between plasma and RBC is maintained by. Answer is option C, chloride shift. The covering of lungs is called as blank. Answer is option A, pleural membrane. Which of the following blood groups is a universal donor? Answer is option A, O negative. The level of calcium in the blood is maintained by which hormones? Answer is option B, parathormone. What is the muscular contraction of the stomach wall called? Answer is option D, peristalsis. Which of the following glands in the human body is ductless? Answer is option C, endocrine gland. Which component of blood absorbs oxygen during respiration? Answer is option B, RBC. In human muscle, breakdown of glucose in absence of oxygen creates which chemical compound? Answer is option D, lactic acid. Nails, claws, hoofs and horns are developed from. Answer is option A, epidermis. Where does the bar of the radius widen at the distal end and connect with the bones? Answer is option A, wrist. Wrist bones are called. Answer is option C, carpal. The lack of oxygen in the tissue is called. Answer is option B, hypoxia. What is the heaviest organ in the human body? Answer is option D, liver. Amount of water in blood plasma is about. Answer is option B, 90%. In human body, the leg bones are. Answer is option C, fibula and tibia. The brain of human adults weighs about. Answer is option A, 1350 to 1400 gram. Red blood corpuscles are formed in. Answer is option A, bone marrow. Number of RBC increases if one lives at higher altitude because blank. Answer is option D, there is a less oxygen on mountains. The organ affected by malaria is. Answer is option B, spleen. The number of spinal nerves in human is. Answer is option C, 31 pairs. The organ system which get affected by AIDS disease is. Answer is option D, immune system. If both mother and father have blood groups A and B respectively, what is the possible blood group of the children? Answer is option A, B and AB. The heartbeat is regulated by. Answer is option D, all of these, means sympathetic nerve, vagus nerve and pacemaker. Which is the longest vein in the human body? Answer is option B, great saphenous. Anaerobic respiration is also called. Answer is option A, fermentation. Which disease is prevented with the help of Salk's vaccine? Answer is option C, polio. Hormone that stimulates milk secretion is blank. Answer is option D, prolactin. Which of the following medicinal plant can be used to treat blood pressure? Answer is option D, sarpagandha. Which of the following is the largest endocrine gland? Answer is option B, thyroid gland. A man who does not know when to stop eating is suffering from. Answer is option A, bulimia. Site of gaseous exchange in lungs is. Answer is option C, alveoli. Reserpine is used to. Answer is option C, reduce high blood pressure. The gland in the human body which secretes both enzymes and hormones is. Answer is option B, pancreas. Ranikhet disease is associated with. Answer is option D, hens. How many pairs of nerves arise from the spinal cord? Answer is option A, 31. By which organ is urea separated from blood? Answer is option D, kidney. Energy is stored in liver and muscles in the form of. Answer is option B, glycogen. Hepatitis caused through. Answer is option C, virus. How many pairs of ribs are there in a human body? Answer is option A 12. What is the largest white blood corpuscle called? Answer is option D monocytes. In normal conditions, the number of WBC in comparison to RBC in blood is blank. Answer is option D less. By which disease is the presence of excessive amounts of white blood cells in the blood known? Answer is option B leukemia. The pressure of blood in our body is? Answer is option A above atmospheric pressure. Which gland is called emergency gland? Answer is option B adrenal gland. Among the following respiration is which type of process? Answer is option C exothermic process only. Where is vitamin A mainly stored? Answer is option C liver. What percentage of water is present in our body? Answer is option D 65%. Normal urine output in 24 hours. Answer is option B 1.5 liter. Which is the longest and strongest bone in human body? Answer is option A femur. Where is urea produced? Answer is option A liver. In our body, ligaments connects. Answer is option C bone to bone. Which mosquito is the carrier of Zika virus? Answer is option B Aedes. At high altitude, RBCs of human blood will blank. Answer is option D increase in the number. What should be the normal number of platelets in the blood of a healthy human being? Answer is option B 1,50,000 to 4,50,000. Defense function of the blood is due to? Answer is option C lymphocyte. Which substance is responsible for speeding up biological processes? Answer is option D enzymes. For control of which disease is the triple antigen DPT administered to children? Answer is option A diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus. As a person grows older, his blood pressure generally? Answer is option A increases. The breath test conducted by police to check drunken driver has which one of the following on the filter paper? Answer is option C potassium dichromate sulfuric acid. Normal respiratory rate and rhythm is termed as blank. Answer is option B eupnea. Which hormone stimulates the thyroid gland to secrete thyroxine? Answer is option D thyroid stimulating hormone. Hormone that stimulates milk secretion is blank. Answer is option B prolactin. HIV was discovered by blank. Answer is option A Luc Montagnier. Enzymes for glycolysis are present in. Answer is option C, cytoplasm. What is the name of the hormone produced by thymus gland? Answer is option C, thymosin. Respiratory center of the body is present in the. Answer is option D, medulla of the brain. The bile juice secreted by the liver and stored in the gallbladder mainly helps in the breakdown of blank. Answer is option B, fats. Synthesis of urea in liver takes place by. Answer is option A, ornithine cycle. Blood does not coagulate inside the body due to the presence of. Answer is option C, heparin. In which part of the human body is the blood purified? Answer is option B, kidney. The disease caused by swelling of the membrane over spinal cord and brain is. Answer is option D, meningitis. In which human tissue there is no cell division after birth? Answer is option C, nerve. Which metal is present in insulin? Answer is option A, zinc. In which medium is salivary ptyalin active? Answer is option A, mildly acidic. What is the percentage of water in human body? Answer is option D, 60%. Which of the following minerals are useful for bones and teeth? Answer is option B, calcium and phosphorus. Testosterone is secreted by. Answer is option C, Leydig cells. The number of chromosomes in a normal human body cell is. Answer is option C, 46. The quantity of blood in human body is. Answer is option A, 5 to 6 liters. The sex of the child is determined by. Answer is option B, by father's chromosomes. The quantity of blood in human body is. Answer is option D, 7%. The process by which blood is purified in human body is called. Answer is option B, dialysis. Blood group was discovered by. Answer is option D, Landsteiner. Which part of the human body is affected in Alzheimer's disease? Answer is option C, brain. Which mineral is essential for controlling heartbeat? Answer is option A, potassium. The smallest endocrine gland in human body is. Answer is option D, pineal gland. Use of polished rice in human diet causes following diseases. Answer is option D, beriberi. Food poisoning is caused by which bacteria? Answer is option B, salmonella. The blood vessels that carry blood from the heart to the various parts of the body are called. Answer is option A, arteries. hormone which stimulates the secretion of pancreatic juice? Answer is option C, secretin. Which medicine stimulates the secretion of urine? Answer is option C, diuretic. Which organism causes filariasis? Answer is option B, protozoa. Which of the following hormones contains iodine? Answer is option D, thyroxine. Down syndrome is caused due to blank. Answer is option C, trisomy of 21st chromosome. Which of the following is a vestigial organ? Answer is option A, vermiform appendix. In a thalassemia patient, the body does not have the ability to synthesize the following. Answer is option D, hemoglobin. The major excretory product in human beings is. Answer is option D, urea. What is the liquid part of the blood called? Answer is option B, plasma. What is the disease called in which blood comes with urine? Answer is option C, hematuria. Gastric glands are present in the blank. Answer is option A, wall of the stomach. In which organ does most of the digestion take place in the human body? Answer is option C, small intestine. Which one of the following organs will not feel any pain on being pricked by a needle? Answer is option D, brain. Patch meter is used to measure blank. Answer is option B, small thickness. Which of the following are the parts of the small intestine in the human body? Answer is option B, ileum, jejunum, duodenum. How many bones are present in the human skull? Answer is option D, 22. The strongest muscle based on its weight of the body is the masseter muscle and is located in the. Answer is option D, jaw. What is the main function of white blood cells? Answer is option C, to fight against infection. What is the place of production of RBC in adult man? Answer is option A, bone marrow. Which hormone was discovered first? Answer is option A, secretin. What is the lifespan of RBCs in humans? Answer is option D, 120 days. Which of the following blood group is a universal acceptor? Answer is option B, AB positive. Approximately how long does it take for blood to circulate inside the body? Answer is option C, 23 seconds. Blank is required for the formation of tissue in the human body. Answer is option B, proteins. Which is the longest bone in the human body? Answer is option D, femur. Which of the following is called as lover hormone? Answer is option C, oxytocin. Hugging or kissing between mother and baby induces is the release of which of the following hormones? Answer is option A, oxytocin. The disease itai is caused by. Answer is option D, cadmium. Which instrument is used to measure blood pressure? Answer is option B, sphygmomanometer. Which of the following is a carrier of parasite Plasmodium? Answer is option B, mosquito. Blood pressure is controlled by which gland? Answer is option C, adrenal gland. Which part of the brain is responsible for the feeling of thirst, hunger, and sleep? Answer is option D, hypothalamus. Which occupational disease is also known as black lung disease? Answer is option A, pneumoconiosis. Which of the following diseases is not caused due to lack of nutrition? Answer is option C, silicosis. Reflex action is controlled by. Answer is option C, spinal cord. How many types of white blood cells are there in human body? Answer is option D, 5. Which organ requires oxygen the most compared to all other organs of the body? Answer is option B, to the brain. Which of the following acids destroys bacteria in stomach? Answer is option D, HCl. Which endocrine gland is involved in setting the body's biological clock? Answer is option A, pineal gland. Which gland works both as an endocrine and exocrine? Answer is option A, pancreas. Which part of human body is affected by the Alzheimer's disease? Answer is option C, brain. Which gland in the human body controls the temperature of the body? Answer is option B, hypothalamus. If the blood group of both the parents is AB, then the possible blood group of their children will be. Answer is option D, A, B and AB. Which blood vessel carry pure blood from the lungs to the heart? Answer is option C, pulmonary veins. Which organ of the human body is affected by glaucoma? Answer is option A, eyes. In the process of respiration, the component of air used is. Answer is option C, oxygen. The enzyme lipase is produced by which organ of the body? Answer is option C, pancreas. Which of the following fetal membranes functions as embryonic urinary bladder? Answer is option D, allantois. The extra embryonic membrane in humans that protects and prevents desiccation of the embryo in the uterus is. Answer is option B, amnion. In which organ RBC are selectively destroyed or recycled by macrophages? Answer is option A, spleen. Bone is an example of. Answer is option C, connective tissue. In which organ of the human body are lymphocytes formed? Answer is option A, spleen. Which is the hardest substance in the human body? Answer is option D, tooth enamel. Largest organ in human body is blank. Answer is option D, skin. Normally, how many times the human heart beats in a minute? Answer is option B, 72. What is the normal pH level of human blood? Answer is option A, 7.35. Blind spot in human eye can be located at the. Answer is option C, junction of the optic nerve and the retina. Growth hormone is secreted by which gland? Answer is option A, pituitary gland. How many pairs of cranial nerve are there in a human body? Answer is option C, 12. Normal temperature of human body is. Answer is option C, 37 degrees Celsius, 98.6 degree Fahrenheit and 310 Kelvin. MRI stands for. Answer is option D, magnetic resonance imaging. Anemia occurs due to the lack of blank. Answer is option B, iron. Which organ gets affected in Wills disease? Answer is option A, kidney. When does the human fetal heart start beating? Answer is option D, in the 4th week of its development. Which of the following carbohydrates is formed when aqueous decomposition of starch is done? Answer is option B, glucose. Which of the following gland releases oxytocin? Answer is option C, posterior part of the pituitary gland. Dyslexia is related with. Answer is option A, problem in reading. Bright's disease affects which part of the body? Answer is option A, kidney. Sickle cell anemia is caused by whose disorder? Answer is option D, RBC. Yellow vein mosaic disease of okra is caused by which microorganism? Answer is option B, virus. The absorption of water in a distal convoluted tubule is controlled by. Answer is option C, ADH. Which component is reabsorbed in the nephron tubules in a healthy person? Answer is option A, glucose. Node of Ranvier are found in. Answer is option D, axon. What is the outer layer of the kidney known as? Answer is option B, cortex. Which condition is defined as the inflammation of the peritoneum? Answer is option B, peritonitis. When is BCG vaccine given to a newborn baby? Answer is option C, immediately after birth. The minerals ions necessary for coagulation of blood is answer is option A calcium. What is regarded as the normal blood pressure in the human body? Answer is option A 120 by 80 mmHg. How many bones are present in an infant child? Answer is option C 300. Which of the following organs is termed as graveyard of RBC? Answer is option A spleen. How many muscles we have in our body? Answer is option D more than 600 muscles. How many chambers are there in human heart? Answer is option B 4. Which of the following instrument is used to measure blood pressure? Answer is option C sphygmomanometer. Which cell organelles have its own DNA? Answer is option D both B and C, means mitochondria and chloroplast. The function of DNA in the body is answer is option B to control the heredity. How many bones are present in an adult human being? Answer is option A 206. Which one is the most poisonous excretory substance? Answer is option A ammonia. In which of the following organs is bile stored? Answer is option D gallbladder. Hemophilia is a genetic disorder which leads to blank. Answer is option B non-clotting of blood. What is the secretion of insulin? Answer is option C pancreatic. BMD means bone mineral density test is done to identify blank. Answer is option A osteoporosis. Which disease is hereditary? Answer is option C phenylketonuria. In which of the following organs of human body are carbohydrates stored as glycogen? Answer is option D liver. Ligaments and tendons are made up of. Answer is option B connective tissue. The air we inhale is mixture of gases. Which of the following gases is the mixture is highest in percentage? Answer is option D nitrogen. The air exhaled during respiration contains oxygen approximately. Answer is option A 17%. Which mineral is necessary to regulate the heartbeat? Answer is option B potassium. Malaria is caused by which microorganism? Answer is option B protozoa. The parotid, submaxillary and sublingual glands are located in the. Answer is option C buccal cavity. The lack of oxygen in the tissue is called. Answer is option C hypoxia. The breakdown of oxyhemoglobin into oxygen and hemoglobin in tissues may increase if. Answer is option A CO2 increases in blood. White bud disease in plant is caused by deficiency of. Answer is option D zinc. oral contraceptive pills can have? Answer is option A, estrogen and progestin. Oral contraceptive pills needs to be started on. Answer is option B, first day of menstruation. The chemical that causes transmission of nerve impulses across synapse is blank. Answer is option B, acetylcholine. What is the lifespan of RBCs in humans? Answer is option D, 120 days. Which blood vessels carry pure blood from the lungs to the heart? Answer is option C, pulmonary veins. What is the amount of hemoglobin per 100 ml of blood of an adult human being? Answer is option C, 13 to 18 gram. The junction between two nerve cells is known as? Answer is option A, synapse. Polio is caused by which of the following organisms? Answer is option C, virus. Which of the following proteins is found in bone? Answer is option B, osine. Which part of the human body has the highest number of bones? Answer is option D, hand. Which of the following metal ion is present in hemoglobin? Answer is option C, iron. Which is the largest cell in the human body? Answer is option A, egg cell. In human digestive system, the process of digestion starts in? Answer is option A, buccal cavity. The glands in the human body are present in the blank layer of the human skin. Answer is option C, dermis. Saliva helps in digestion of blank. Answer is option B, starch. The blood glucose level is commonly expressed as? Answer is option D, milligram per deciliter. For building teeth and bones, what is necessary? Answer is option D, calcium. What is the frequency of a human heart that is found to beat 75 times in a minute on an average? Answer is option B, 1.25 Hz. Which of the following gets deficient in the human body due to dengue fever? Answer is option D, platelets. Which part of the brain performs all cognitive, emotional and motor activities? Answer is option B, forebrain. Which hormone stimulates the stomach cells to release gastric juice? Answer is option C, gastrin. Full form of AIDS is? Answer is option C, acquired immune deficiency syndrome. The contraction and expansion of the walls of food pipe is called blank movement. Answer is option B, peristalsis. The functional unit of the kidney is called? Answer is option C, nephron. Carbohydrate is stored in the body is? Answer is option A, glycogen. The average blood flow through kidneys per minute is? Answer is option D 1200 cc. What is the net gain of ATP when each molecule of glucose is converted to 2 molecules of pyruvic acid? Answer is option D 2. How much blood flows through the kidneys per minute? Answer is option B 1 liter. Thalassemia is a hereditary disease affecting blank. Answer is option C blood. What is the increase in the amount of glucose in the blood called? Answer is option D hyperglycemia. What are the symptoms of Rh disease? Answer is option D all of these, means large abdomen, lack of energy, fast heart rate, tendon connects. Answer is option A bone with muscles. Which among the following causes hydrophobia ultimately? Answer is option A virus. Which of the following enzymes is necessary for blood clotting? Answer is option C thrombokinase. Friends, if you like the video, then do not forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel.